Schools Minister Nick Gibb SAVAGED as he fails to answer simple maths question live on GMB. Jeremy Kyle did not hold back as he quizzed Schools Minister Nick Gibb on Good Morning Britain over his proposal that primary school children are tested on their times tables. Jeremy, who is currently standing in for Piers Morgan on Good Morning Britain, asked Nick if he would put his knowledge to the test and answer a number of maths questions. 3 questions for your schools minister. What is 8 times 9? The presenter quizzed. Clearly feeling uncomfortable, Nick refused to answer the mental arithmetic question. I'm not going to get into this live. I have learned through bitter experience not to answer these kind of questions. 8 times 9 is a times table. I'm not asking you to change the world, the ITV host snapped back. Jeremy's co-host Kate Garraway jumped in to ask why he refused to answer the question on live television despite insisting 8 and 9-year-olds should be tested in school. Hang on though, because that's an interesting point, the 50-year-old began. You don't want to get into it because you're worried you might get it wrong. I made a fool of myself getting loads wrong, and yet look at you, a very successful person who can clearly add up and do maths. Why is it important for an 8-year-old to do it when you clearly feel vulnerable about it and you're a government minister? Nick snapped back, well, no 8-year-old or 9-year-old would be doing it on live television, and the results of the check won't affect those children. And might I add, that while no doubt this will go down like a lead balloon, perhaps more politicians would be successful if they connected with the people who elected them, Jeremy quipped. What is 8 times 9, Nick? Come on, it's not difficult. Nick once again refused to answer the question, commenting, I do know the answer to this question, but I'm not going to do so on live television. This is an important, serious reform.